Today on How to Cook, I'm going to show you the secret to making blueberry pancakes.
The only thing better than pancakes is more pancakes. The only thing better than more pancakes is blueberry pancakes. See what I did there? And I think you know where this progression is going. So in order to save time, let's just get to it. Now this is a fairly standard buttermilk pancake recipe. This is a half batch because I'm only making a few. If you have a large family, feel free to make the whole batch. The recipe is always in the description. So go down there to figure all this out. Otherwise, I'll go through it real quickly. I've already made buttermilk pancakes, but these are blueberry buttermilk pancakes. So there's a little secret here. You're going to have to stay tuned to find out.
Okay, so here's the secret to blueberry pancakes. Melt a pat of butter in your cast iron pan, heated to about 400 degrees. Put in some of your pancake batter. Now add a handful of blueberries. I'm not going too crazy, just a few. Grab a spatula. You're going to smash those down into the pancake. And then put a cover on it. You're going to cook it a minute 48 seconds. Then when that's done, flip it over, cook it another minute 48, and you have blueberry pancake.
And now you know the secret is throw a handful of blueberries into it. That's how you make blueberry pancakes. That's not hard. There you go. This was kind of a spoof thing anyways. I'll put a pat of butter on here so they look pretty. But yeah, you saw the buttermilk pancake thing. I don't know what you were going to glean from this other than throw a handful of blueberries in it. There you go. Blueberry pancakes. You're welcome. And enjoy. Can't believe I had to get up early and shower for this.